Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix TikTok server upgrading problem if you are facing. So I will show you how you can do it. By any chance you are connected with a good speed of Wi-Fi internet or like a bad speed of Wi-Fi internet, so you have to do is get a better place to get more speed of your internet or like good quality internet. And by any chance you are facing again this issue, you have to simply do is update your TikTok app. For that you have to go to Play Store and then search it over here TikTok, and then click on search bar, and then you will see over here go to TikTok. And whenever you see over here open button or like you will see over here update button, you have to simply update your TikTok app and then wait for a while to update the app, and then you have to simply go and check it out if the issue is same. So you have to simply do is go back to your settings and then offload the app. You have to simply scroll all the way up, go apps, and then you have to simply search over here, or like you can scroll all the way down and search for the TikTok and then go to TikTok. And then you have to simply do is, by any chance you are facing this issue again, so you have to simply go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then search over here TikTok, and then click on TikTok. And then you have to see over here, you can see over here offload app. So you have to simply do is click on that, and then the app will be uninstalled or like offloaded from your internet or like your iPhone. So you have to simply do is offload this app and then reinstall or reload this app. And then again, if you are facing this issue, you have to simply reinstall or like uninstall this app and completely delete all the data from your phone about TikTok. So then reinstall it, and then you will never face any issue like upgrading server problem. Like you will never face this issue again. So that's it, that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, have a nice day, bye bye.